how to turn off watch history on YouTube. So if you're someone that goes through their history, but you actually want to turn this feature off so there is no history, what you can do is go to YouTube and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner where it says you. And right here, you're going to see history. And this shows you a recent history of what you watched, if it's shorts or full length videos. And to turn this feature off, just go to the gear icon at the top right hand corner here. And then go down to where it says manage all history. And then this will bring you to your Google account. And you just want to go to where it says saving your YouTube history. Once that loads, as you see, it's turned on. But what you can do is just turn this off. And then it will pause your YouTube history. And we can just hit pause. And then that's it. What you can do is just go back, and if you want to turn it back on, you can, just by going ahead and turning it back on. And it's that simple to do. And that's it. That's how you would go about turning off your watch history on YouTube.